seen on. Mommy said, are we live already? Are we live already? Are we live already? So, we are live. Welcome everybody to our
Tea break talk with the Tohs.
Tea break talk with the Tohs. Yay, hi! Today we're gonna talk about something. Actually, it's not a plant. It's not an animal.
It's a fungus.
Yes, we're gonna talk about
It's fungus.
talk about mushroom. Yeah, we have a very big mushroom behind of us.
Is it real?
Hmm?
Is it a real mushroom?
No, it's made of wood, man.
Yeah, it's not a real mushroom. Wow, nice mushroom. We are just under the mushroom, having our tea break talk. Okay.
We're gonna eat the mushroom for our tea break.
Okay, let's start off with. Always start off with our what?
Mission.
Yes, who's gonna share mission?
You.
Yes, our mission is to
Educate people with the correct information.
giving people the right knowledge on health, having the wisdom towards good health, and that's our mission to everybody, helping everybody to get good health through right knowledge and wisdom. So today we're going to talk mushroom. Maybe let's start off with some fun facts about mushroom. Who's going to share that?
Me.
Okay, come.
You like
No, I hold it.
Okay.
Right.
Do you like my script? My magic script?
Come on.
So, your first fun fact is that do you know the mushroom is used in many cuisines throughout the world and it is known as the meat of the vegetable world? Second fun fact is a single portobello mushroom can contain more potassium than a banana.
Wow, that's interesting.
Third, yeah, it's very interesting. Third is the world's largest producer of edible mushrooms in China, which produces about half of all cultivated mushrooms.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, in
And I
fact,
saw one more. Hey.
that's for the last part.
Oh, that's for the last one. Okay. Continue.
Yeah, done.
Can I share something?
Let's finish first. Come on.
And
Any more?
do you know mushrooms are actually made out of around 90% water? That's why, like when you cook it, it like becomes smaller.
Yeah, it shrinks a lot, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's interesting.
like compared to when it was packaged.
Okay. Yes, that's very interesting. And hey, Titi, you're gonna share what?
So I want to share something else about the fact that a single portobello mushroom has more potassium than a banana. Because some of you out there might think, what does it have to do with more potassium than a banana? Because the banana has so much potassium that it's actually slightly radioactive.
Oh, that's really interesting.
That means mushrooms are actually that means a portobello is also kind of radioactive too.
Not really. I think the amount is too small to be that harmful.
What thing?
Anyway, today we're going to talk about the amazing food we call mushroom. Yeah. So, Titi, you want to share some benefits of the mushroom? I think you have something that you want to share about the amazing benefits of mushroom.
So, let me share with you the benefits of the mushrooms. So, extensive research has been done on mushrooms, and the research results are saying that it has properties ranging from antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, anti-lipemic, which means anti-fat, to immunomodulation.
Wow, you see, mushroom really is an amazing food with all these benefits. So why is the mushroom so amazing food? Because it contains a group of nutrients called polysaccharides. So what are polysaccharides? You know what's polysaccharides? Polysaccharides are actually, we call them monosaccharides. They are being bound together to form a long chains of saccharides. So we call them polysaccharides.
So they're actually bound together.
Yes, they are bound together to form long chains. That's why it's called polysaccharides. So polysaccharides are known to have. It's a wonderful source of nutrients that actually helps to improve the functions of our immune system. It actually enhances our immune functions and also immune cells. And it also helps to modulate our immune cells as well. So how does it help? It helps by enhancing all these, let's say, immune cells such as the natural killer cells. So the natural killer cells actually helps to kills off all the cancer cells. And it also enhances other immune cells such as macrophage. So macrophage is like a rubbish dump.
Rubbish dump?
Yes, you eat off all the dead cells, all the toxins. You actually can also eat all the bacteria or viruses. So polysaccharides, and also it's known for its antiviral, antibacterial properties. In fact, there are many research done on the benefits of polysaccharides.
Polysaccharides.
Yes, and the benefits of polysaccharides. It went back all the way to 1980s, where in Japan, okay, they found that actually mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, their benefit those who are undergoing cancer treatment, such as chemotherapy. So they found that those who are taking shiitake mushroom, those cancer patients that are taking shiitake mushroom, it actually helps to improve their lifestyle, okay, even though they are undergoing chemotherapy. Amazing, right?
Basically, it livens up their emotional.
Yeah, no, because it helps to relieve their symptoms. Okay? And there are also studies done by Harvard, and also there's also this International Journal of Cancer. So they did a study on 36,000. Yeah.
36.
Yes, 36,000 people. Okay? So these 36,000 people, and they age between 40 to 79 years old. See, what they found out is that those people who take mushroom more than once or twice a week, it actually helps to reduce their risk by 8% of getting prostate cancer. And if they increase their intake of mushroom 3 to 4 times a week, it actually reduces their risk by 17%. Okay? And this is regardless of their diet, no matter they are taking rich in vegetables or animal-based food diet. Okay? Amazing, right? Can reduce the risk of cancer by 8 to 17%. So, other than that,
So that big mushroom can do it.
yeah, that's why you see the mushroom is such amazing food.
Yeah, that's why it's called the meat of the vegetable world.
Yes. Actually, it's not a vegetable. It's a fungus.
It's a fungus. Fungi.
Yes, fungi. So other than those research, recently what we know from Dr. Yi's talk is that there's another study done on animals, on mice. They actually took genetically modified mice which have genes that actually they have these genes that make them grow liver tumor. So they split them into two groups. One group is mice that have a normal diet, and the other group of mice that have diet rich in mushroom or polysaccharides. They found that actually the group of mice that are rich in polysaccharides, they have less yes, they have less liver tumors.
What's liver tumors?
That means tumors are those cells, those unwanted cells or cancerous cells. Okay, they form tumors. Okay, so as you can see, okay, this polysaccharides is actually very high anti-cancer properties, and that's why mushroom is a very good source of nutrients to prevent cancer. So now there are people who say wild mushroom. Maybe wild mushroom is more nutritious. Is it? Do you think wild mushroom is more nutritious?
Actually, I don't know. Not really.
Not really.
I don't
For
think
me,
so.
I prefer cultivated mushrooms.
Yes.
Me too.
Yes, why? Because there are more than 10,000 types of mushroom, and a lot of them are poisonous. Right, Jie? I think,
70 to 80 of them.
yeah, I think you did some research on poisonous mushroom. Maybe you name one of them? I'll take
Okay.
it.
How about I name the most poisonous one? It's the death cap. Also, the full name is Amantina phalloides. So symptoms when you consume it are such as violent abdominal pain, vomiting, bloody diarrhea, resulting in rapid loss of fluid from the tissues and intense thirst. All these symptoms lead to coma or even death, death for 50% of the consumers based on research.
Wow, that's dangerous. So one of the risks of taking wild mushroom is it might be poisonous.
And I didn't even know it would cause death.
Yeah, death.
Actually, the 7 down the scale, they also have all these symptoms.
So other than that, okay, mushroom also has a property known for it helps to clean them. It helps to absorb all these pollutants. Okay.
Yes, that's why if you are going mushroom picking, don't pick mushrooms in a polluted area or area that has been polluted before.
And contaminated.
Because mushroom is a good form of absorbing all the pollutants such as heavy metals, pesticides, even radioactive materials.
So the mushrooms help to take up all the bad things.
Yes, they absorb all the bad things from the atmosphere, from the environment.
But you have to also be careful because it's good from the environment, but it's not good.
It's good for the environment, but that's why we don't eat those wild mushrooms because we never know what it's used for. Because it's a very good form of people because of this property, a lot of people use it to help clean the environment. Use it to absorb all the.
But if it actually absorbs all the bad things and then you eat it, you get the bad things.
Yeah, that's why it's better to take mushroom from the farm. Okay, from those that are cultivated from controlled environment. Okay.
And why mushrooms are so popular in Japan is because if you guys learn history or if you guys remember that when the US or England dropped the atomic bomb in Japan Hiroshima, they used mushrooms to absorb all that
Radioactive.
Yes, radio.
So can you imagine taking those mushrooms that contains radioactive? So mushroom, if it's taken a while, it has a high chance that it might contain unwanted stuff, pollutants, or even heavy metals. Yes, heavy metals.
And it's actually very bad for your body.
Yes, it's very bad for your body. So if you want to take from cultivated ones in a controlled environment. So in general, okay, mushrooms amazing food, but we don't just take one type of mushroom. So it's best to take mushroom of various types because various types of mushrooms has different types of polysaccharides. Okay.
So one polysaccharide can basically block one pathway of cancer. So if you have many different types of mushrooms, then maybe it blocks 99 out of 100 of the pathways to cancer.
Yes, well said, Jay. That is why it's important to take wild varieties of mushrooms, just like vegetables, okay, and fruits. We always encourage people to take wide varieties of fruits and vegetables of different colors as well. Okay. So that's all for today. Our tea break talk with the Tohs. Anything you want to add, Jay?
Oh yeah.
You want to add something?
Yeah. And modern studies suggest mushrooms can be useful for antibacterial, anti-inflammation, and
Antioxidants.
While also helping to reduce blood pressure, moderate blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, enhance the immune system, reduce stress, and help in fighting many types of cancer, and also anti-diabetic. And also, it's also a brain food.
Antibiotic. Yeah. Remember we talked about the brain food? Mushroom is also good for brains. Yeah, in one of the NUS study. In one of the NUS studies, it actually proves that.
It's also good for brain.
Yeah, because based on a study for NUS, it actually reduced the risk of getting mild cognitive impairment of the brain by 57%. So you can see the mushroom is really amazing. It improve our immune system. It can improve our brain. Anti-diabetic. What else?
Anti-inflammatory.
Yes. Wow, such amazing food. So don't miss out on mushroom. Okay. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the next episode.
Yeah. Bye.
You're a rabbit.